Hello everyone, this is Victor with the Technology Subcommittee. What I'm going to do today is walk you through how to edit our wiki. First off, what you need to know is the wiki URL, which if you don't is right there. Second, what you need to do when you get to the wiki is notice if you are signed in or not. How you can easily check that is if this is marked as being protected. If it's protected, you're not signed in. SIGML organizers and steering committees are given privileges that allow us to edit pages. So once you are signed in, you will be able to edit. So first off, what you need to do is go ahead and sign in. Click on the link up here in the upper right-hand corner. When you click sign in, it will take you to this page. This page asks you for your username and password, as well as if you would like to say signed in. If you would, go ahead and click sign in. Now, what you'll immediately notice is that protected has changed to edit. If it hasn't, that means you haven't yet been given organizer privileges on the wiki. Go ahead and shoot me an email and I will make sure that happens as soon as possible. What I'm going to do now is take you to a page that I can edit and not worry about changes or if something happens to it. So we're going to mess around with the technology subcommittee a little bit. First off, what I want to do is go ahead and click edit. That is the first thing you need to do to change anything on the wiki. What you'll then notice is that it gives you the option of actually manually editing text. This is what you see is what you get. So if you don't like what it looks like, go ahead and change it because it will allow you to. Now, as we're doing this, I'm going to walk you through all of the various pieces. First off, I feel like there's not enough Jello action going on our website. So I'm going to take this technology word, which I just highlighted, and go ahead and link that. I could link it if I wanted to an existing wiki page, which it gives you all of the various options for. But instead, what I'm going to do is go ahead and link our technology group to jello.com. I'm going to have that open in a new window. Now, what you'll notice is it immediately changed that link to, or that text into a link. And you can then, when you click on it, either visit it, change it, or remove it. Now, we really don't need a link for Jello, so I'm going to go ahead and remove that. When you actually click on something that's already in the page, like a wiki or a widget or some of the wiki text or a image, it actually pulls up a second menu for you where you can adjust the size of items. You can go ahead and add a caption if you would like, which is, it actually puts a box around the item, so know that before you click it. You can add a link if you would like. You can remove the file. You can align them left, right, or center. There are kind of a lot of options for you. Now, what you'll notice over here is I have a box that's called the table of contents. That is one of the wiki widgets. You can click to remove it, but it's kind of tied to a specific location on the page. And what you'll notice it actually has no contents in it right now. Based on formatting, it will actually pull information into that table of contents and populate it after you save the page. Now, the next thing we're going to look at is adding a document or a picture or something to your website. First off, I'm going to go down here and we're going to go ahead and add a file. So click on that button. When you click on that, it pulls up all of the files currently on the SIGML wiki. You can search for them. Some of them are hard to locate. Again, if you have trouble, go ahead and shoot me an email. What we're going to do is upload a file from your computer. When you click on that button, it will pull up your computer. Now, what I want you to do is I'm going to go ahead and just select a PDF that we have as a trial. Go ahead and click open. Now, what that'll do is it will hold it for you. If you just noticed, this list updated. It's my recent uploads. So since it was a relatively small file that I just uploaded, a page, maybe two, it takes a very short time to upload that. If you're uploading something that is 20 or 25 pages, it could take several minutes. So give it some time for it to appear in front of you. Once it's there, it's uploaded to the website, and just go ahead and click on it to embed it. Now, what you'll notice is it is now on the site. I can change its position if I would like, but I don't really need a communication file on the technology page. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that. Now, putting widgets on the page is almost exactly the same. So I'm going to go ahead and add a widget. Now you can add a table of contents. There is a whole mess of widgets that you can add. RSS feeds, chats, whatever you would like. Just remember to add what you think would be the most appropriate. Now, the interesting thing about widgets is if you go down here to the other HTML, what this allows you to do is add information from all of the various websites out there that allow you to embed. And what this will do is let you embed your own code and add your own functionality to the wiki, which is how we've added the discussion management system. And once you've got it in there, click Save, and it will embed that widget into your page. I'm going to go ahead and cancel because we've got the widgets that way that we need them. Now, once you're at this point and you have the page looking how you want it, go ahead and click Save. But since I was just playing around, I'm going to go ahead and click Cancel. Again, if you have any issues or problems editing the wiki or want to know where a document is or a navigation button or something of that sort, please shoot me an email and let me know what you're looking for. Otherwise, happy editing.